Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a couple of things that you can do with right click and hit options. So in this options in AutoCAD, you can go and change a few things. As you can see earlier, um, my crosshair is huge and it's yellow, right? And if I try to draw something and I put on my snap, you can see my snap is magenta, right? So those are things that you can change. And also you can see that now my ribbons um, and my taskbar, they are white, right? So I can change that by going to right click options. Here I can go ahead and color theme, for example. I can change that back to dark and then I can apply. And you can see now it's come back to dark, which I prefer, all right? Second, you can see the crosshair. Mine was huge earlier, it's 50. So I can go back down to, let's say I want it to be about 20 or 19. You can put in the number. You don't have to drag it. I can put in 20 and then I hit apply. And then let me get out so you guys can see my crosshair. Now you can see my crosshair is smaller. Earlier it was huge like this, but now it's smaller like this, right? So that is my crosshair, and I can, again, options to change multiple things at once. You don't have to do what I just did. You can go to colors, okay? And then in here, you can change multiple things, but the thing that I concentrate on the most is the crosshair. I changed that, and I prefer using, I believe I used red before in the past, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. That would be my crosshair color on the screen. Now it becomes red. So I'm using red for that. Um, Now if I draw on something, you can see the snapping is magenta. I want it to be green because the default, I believe the default was green and I changed it earlier. So um, I can go ahead and look at multiple things. So I'm going to drafting. Don't worry about anything about 3D. We're not using those in AutoCAD. So in here, you can see the auto snap is that color. So I'm going to click on it, and then 2D auto snap right there is now magenta. So I want it to be green, um, and then I can save that. All right. Now let's say you make it green, which turn color now. If I click on color, if you don't like that, you can go ahead and restore that element. It's going back to whatever it was. So it's darker green. All right. That you are, and then let's see if I can change something else. We don't have to worry about anything else. um, I think that's it. Leave everything the way it is. There's one more thing that I would like to do is auto save. All right, if you click on open and save, you can see right now the auto save is 10 minutes. I want to change that to every 2 minutes it's gonna auto save your stuff. I would like that to happen. Click that, click OK. um, all right, so when you are drawing and you in here, you can see that. All right, and you can also see my mouse. My mouse, you can change the mouse in a different location. All right, the mouse is changing using your computer options. Um, so it's not AutoCAD stuff. All right, there's another option here that you can go into is you go into AutoCAD and then go to displays, I believe. You will see the number of second to delay. It's right here. This right here is about the tips, the two tips. Those are on your thing. So if you put your mouse on any of this right here, wait for a second, that come up, wait for 2 seconds, this window show up, right? It show you how to do the array. But there's a delay into that. So if you want to change that, which I prefer that you guys do, click on option, and then you go up here, go back to display, change this to 0.01. Hit apply and close. Now if I put my mouse on the same thing, it's gonna open right away. So I don't have to wait for it to open. All right. That will show me how to do this. Do a little reading, and it's gonna teach you how to do that hatching, how to move, how to copy, how to mirror, how to rotate. All right. So that will be very helpful there. So do that. Let me see if there's any other option that I think would help you guys. So color themes right there. Now you click on colors. There's one more thing I think that you can do. The background. If you prefer, depends on your eyesight. I prefer the current color right now, which is dark in the back, right? But if you don't like that and it's happened to be something that's gonna help you, you can change this into different colors here. As you can see, um, I, I do not liked it, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit apply real quick, and you can see that it's now turned blue completely. I don't like that at all. So I'm just gonna go and fix that real quick by just go and restore current elements, and that will take me back to where it was. All right, hit apply on everything here, click OK, all done. Enjoy.